Russian troops launched an attack on Ukraine on Thursday that started with explosions before dawn in the capital Kyiv and other cities. Ukraine's foreign ministry said Russia's intent was to destroy the state of Ukraine, a westward-looking democracy intent on moving out of Moscow's orbit. At least 57 people had been killed so far in what it called a full-scale war targeting the country from the east, north and south. In a televised address as the attack began, Russian President Vladimir Putin warned other countries that any attempt to interfere would lead to consequences you have never seen in history. Putin claims the objective of the attack is to defend the Russian speakers in Ukraine, especially those in the two self-declared republics of Donetsk and Luhansk, which left Ukrainian control in 2014. But Ukraine has denied Moscow's claims that it is forcibly trying to take them back. Putin gave the US and NATO a list of security demands. One of them was a guarantee that Ukraine will never enter NATO and that the alliance rolls back its military footprint in Eastern and Central Europe. These proposals were quickly rejected by the US and allies. Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky tweeted Thursday that Russia treacherously attacked our state in the morning, as Nazi Germany did in World War II. As of today, our countries are on different sides of world history. The former Prime Minister of Ukraine Alexei Honcharuk said the Russian invasion could spark a third world war. Honcharuk called Thursday's attacks a critical moment and claimed Putin only recognizes power and violence among the countries won't stop, The Independent reported. Honcharuk served as prime minister between 2019 and 2020. It could be the start of a third world war. We should realize it because Putin will not stop, Honcharuk said. While the US doesn't depend on Russia for major imports, central bankers said in a recent meeting that geopolitical risks could cause increases in global energy prices or exacerbate global supply shortages. Russia's invasion could also mean another delay to normalcy in the US after over 2 years of shutdowns and COVID-19 related restrictions. Economic consequences have been felt in Wall Street as futures retreated by a wide daily margin. Although the United States imports very little Russian oil, if changes in oil prices change in one part of the world, it will impact the prices in all other regions. Russia is a major producer of oil and natural gas, adding to concern and uncertainty across the world. It is also the world's largest wheat exporter and is a major food supplier to Europe. NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg announced the military alliance would defend every inch of its territory should Russia attack a member country, of which Ukraine is not part of. Stoltenberg added the 30-nation security alliance will continue to beef up its defenses on its eastern flank near Ukraine and Russia. Some of NATO's 30 member countries are supplying arms, ammunition and other equipment to Ukraine. NATO as an organization isn't as of Thursday. A next step for NATO could be to trigger the NATO response force, which can gather up to 40,000 troops. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.